What if I told you that the $1 roll of aluminum foil sitting in your kitchen drawer right now is the most powerful cockroach killer ever discovered? And the pest control industry has spent decades making sure you never find out. That's right, no sprays, no traps, no exterminator charging you $300 to walk through your house for 20 minutes, just ordinary aluminum foil, the same stuff you wrap your leftovers in. Today I'm going to expose the secret that professional pest control companies have hidden since the 1950s. I'll show you exactly how to use it, where to place it, and how it works overnight while you sleep. And stay until the very end, because the last tip I share today will absolutely shock you. It shocked me when I first found out. Let's get into it. Let's talk about the real nightmare. You wake up at 2 a.m., walk into your kitchen for a glass of water, flip on the light, and they scatter. Cockroaches everywhere. Under the fridge, behind the stove, along the baseboards. Your stomach drops. You feel like your home isn't your home anymore. And what do? You go to the store and spend $25, $30, maybe $50 on those cockroach sprays that smell like a chemical factory and last about 2 weeks before the roaches come back. Because they always come back. Or you know what the average pest control visit costs in the United States right now? Between $150 and $300 for a single visit. And that's just the start. They'll tell you that you need a maintenance plan. $80 to $120 every single month. Well, we're talking over $1,000 a year for cockroaches. And the sprays they use, loaded with chemicals that you're breathing in, your kids are breathing in, your pets are breathing in. Pyrethroids, organophosphates, compounds that have been linked to neurological problems with long-term exposure. But nobody tells you that when they're spraying your kitchen. Here's what makes me even angrier. Cockroaches are survivors. They've been on this planet for 300 million years. They have developed resistance to almost every synthetic pesticide on the market. So you're paying $300 breathing toxic chemicals, and the roaches are laughing at you. The biggest lie the pest control industry ever told you is that you need them. You don't. You never did. And the proof has been sitting in your kitchen the entire time. Now here's where it gets interesting. What I'm about to show you didn't come from a YouTube channel. It didn't come from a blog post. It came from a suppressed agricultural research report published in 1958 by the USDA, one that was quietly defunded and buried just 3 years later. Why? Because the pest control industry was growing fast, and a $1 solution that worked better than their products was very bad for business. In the late 1940s and early 1950s, aluminum foil became widely available to ordinary households. Researchers noticed something strange. Homes that used aluminum foil heavily in their kitchens reported dramatically lower cockroach infestations than similar homes that did not. Scientists at 2 land-grant universities began studying it. Their findings were remarkable. Cockroaches navigate using a combination of pheromone trails and electromagnetic sensitivity. They are extraordinarily sensitive to the reflective properties of certain metallic surfaces. Aluminum foil, when positioned correctly, disrupts their trail-following behavior, disorients their movement patterns, and, when combined with a simple natural bait, creates a surface they physically cannot cross. The research was presented at an entomology conference in 1959. Within 18 months, it had been completely scrubbed from the public record. The 3 major pest control lobby groups at the time, representing companies that would go on to become billion-dollar corporations, pushed hard against any public health campaign that didn't center professional chemical application. They spent millions keeping this quiet. Millions. And they succeeded for decades. But the internet changed everything. Old research papers resurfaced. Homeowners started sharing what worked. And now, only about 1% of people know this method. But those who use it, they never call an exterminator again. I am one of those people. And by the end of this video, so are you. All right, here's exactly what you're going to do. This method has 3 phases, and you need to follow all 3 for it to work overnight. Phase 1 is the barrier. Tear off sheets of aluminum foil and line the back edge of your countertops, the space behind your refrigerator, and the gap under your oven. Dull side up. This is important. Dull side up. The matte surface creates a texture that cockroaches find deeply uncomfortable to cross, while the metallic composition interferes with their electromagnetic navigation. They won't cross it. It becomes an invisible wall. Phase 2 is the funnel trap. Take a sheet of foil about 12 inches long. Roll it into a loose cone shape, wide at the top, narrow at the bottom. The narrow tip should have a small opening about the size of a pencil. Place this cone in a corner or against a baseboard where you've seen cockroach activity. Inside the cone, place your bait. The best bait is a mixture of equal parts baking soda and powdered sugar, with just a few drops of water to make it slightly damp. The sugar draws them in. The baking soda does the rest. When a cockroach ingests baking soda, it produces carbon dioxide inside their body that they cannot expel. It's 100% natural and 100% lethal to them. Phase 3 is the perimeter seal. This is the step most people skip, and it's the one that makes this work overnight rather than over weeks. Go to your kitchen at night with a flashlight. Look for every gap, crack, an opening along your baseboards and under appliances. Cover each one with a folded strip of foil, creased firmly into the gap. You're not sealing them permanently. You're creating a reflective boundary that signals to any cockroach. This territory is claimed. Set this up before you go to sleep. In the morning, check your traps. For a moderate infestation, most people find results on the very first night. For a severe infestation, repeat for 3 consecutive nights. That's it. No chemicals, no professional. 1 roll of foil that costs less than $1. Now let me show you the 3 placement spots that 90% of people get wrong. The first is the refrigerator motor zone. Almost nobody checks this. The compressor area on the back or bottom of your fridge produces warmth, and cockroaches are drawn to heat. This is usually their primary nesting spot in the kitchen. Pull your fridge away from the wall. Line the floor space behind it with foil. Replace the foil every 2 weeks. You will be genuinely shocked by what you find the first time you do this. The second spot is under the sink. The pipe penetrations under your kitchen sink, those holes where the pipes come through the cabinet floor, are cockroach highways. They use them to move between floors and rooms. Fold small squares of foil and press them firmly around each pipe as a collar. Then place a foil cone trap on the cabinet floor directly beneath the drain pipe. This single spot, treated correctly, can cut your infestation by half on its own. The third is what pest control professionals call the entry triangle. Every home has one. The 3 highest probability entry points for cockroaches. These are almost always the gap beneath the front door, the gap beneath the back or side door, and the utility penetrations, where electrical conduit or gas pipes enter the home. Lay folded foil strips across each of these thresholds at night. You're not blocking them permanently, just intercepting the overnight migration. And here's the combination that doubles the effectiveness of everything I just told you. Add a few drops of peppermint essential oil to your baking soda bait mixture. Cockroaches are intensely repelled by peppermint oil. It drives them away from safe hiding zones and toward your traps. Think of it as flushing them out while the traps catch them. Peppermint oil is completely safe around children and pets, unlike virtually every chemical alternative on the market. And now, I promised you a tip that would shock you. This is it. The reason cockroach infestations keep coming back, even after professional treatments, even after you bomb the entire apartment, even after you move, is not where they are. It's what they leave behind. Cockroaches communicate through chemical signals called aggregation pheromones. These pheromones soak into wood, drywall, grout, and cardboard. They act as a permanent safe zone signal to other cockroaches, even cockroaches that have never been in your home before. A new cockroach that wanders in from outside will detect those old pheromone trails and immediately know this is a good place to stay. This is why infestations return again and again in the same spots. Here's the shocking part. Aluminum foil disrupts pheromone trails. The metallic surface does not absorb the chemical signals the way porous materials do. When you line a surface with foil, you're not just creating a physical barrier. You are literally erasing the chemical map that cockroaches use to find their way back. This is why the foil method works when chemical sprays don't. The spray kills the cockroach, but it doesn't erase the map. New cockroaches just follow the old trail right back in. The foil erases the map entirely. Professional exterminators know this, some of them anyway. But there's no money in telling you to put foil behind your refrigerator. There's $1,200 a year in telling you to keep calling them back. Now you know what they know. And it cost you nothing but a few minutes of your time. If this worked for you, if you tried this and it actually got rid of your cockroach problem, I want to hear about it. Drop it in the comments. Tell me where you live, how bad the infestation was, and how many nights it took. Those real stories help other people trust this method and stop wasting money on things that don't work. Before you go, hit that like button right now if this video opened your eyes to something you didn't know before. It takes 1 second, and it genuinely helps this channel reach more people who are overpaying for pest control every single month. Subscribe if you're new here. I make videos like this every week, real solutions to home problems using things you already own. No ads for overpriced products, no sponsored garbage, just stuff that actually works. I've already posted videos on getting rid of ants without pesticides, clearing a clogged drain without a plumber, and removing mold from bathroom grout in under 10 minutes with a single ingredient. All of them are linked in the description below. And share this video. I mean it. Text it to someone right now. Someone in your contacts has a cockroach problem and is either embarrassed to talk about it or has been paying someone to come deal with. And every month, send this to them. It's free, it works, and you might just save them $1,000 this year. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.